Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel for another cleaning motivational video. I have a whole house clean for you today, so we got lots of work to do. Let's get to it. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Please subscribe if you like videos like these. I make plenty. Comment down below. Let's chat it up and like the video. Enjoy, guys. So as you can see, I decided to start in my entryway. This is right at the front door where we have this little shoe rack, and the shoes are usually all over the place. So I decided to organize that, put up the coats, vacuum this area because the door opening and closing always brings in leaves and dust. So I'm gonna vacuum and mop the wood floor in this area. Baby. You guys, I love this mop. I got this mop off of Amazon. I believe it's the OXO brand, and it's just like a Swiffer, but it has reusable pads. You can just throw them in the washing machine and wash them with the fillable bottle. I just have the Method Spray and Mop Wood Cleaner in there. So moving right along, I'm now upstairs in the kids' bathroom cleaning their bathroom. Their bathroom really needs to be cleaned every day. My kids just spit toothpaste all over the mirrors in the sink, so I'm getting their bathroom nice and clean. So as you can see, I'm just using the Method Anti-Bac Cleaning Spray as well as my homemade cleaning spray. I find the anti-bac spray to be a little strong when I'm cleaning, so I like to spray a little to disinfect, and I do like the rest of the cleaning with my homemade spray. We are not getting cold, so keep on dancing, baby. Just keep on moving through the beat. Don't let them get the best of you. When you are under the weather, getting caught in the storm. Do you remember? I told you if we dance in the blizzard, we are not getting cold. So keep on dancing. So now it is time to clean the tub. I usually like to spray down the whole tub with the sprayer, just get everything nice and wet. I hate these pink tiles, guys, but I plan on changing them. As you saw there, I am using the Method Foaming Spray Bathroom Cleaner. That one is my favorite. Method has another bathroom cleaner, and it's okay, but I love the Foaming Spray Bathroom Cleaner. And look forward to a bathroom renovation video in the near future, or in the future rather, because I am going to get rid of this pink tile.
I might be broken down, but I'm smiling. I keep my head up high, though I fail. Sometimes I get a bit emotional, but then I turn around and let it go. I see you watching me from a distance. I see you can't decide what to feel, but if you dig a little deeper, boy, you know you really wanna get to know me. Let's get this out of the way. Yeah, I'm a bit too much, but I'm fun and games. When I'm acting tough, I just wanna play. If you are looking for one hell of a ride, just come and get it. Baby, I'm all yours. Come and get it, come and get it, come and get it, come and get it.
So guys, I was being a little bit lazy, I have to admit. Usually I would sweep or vacuum the floor first to get up all the hair and dust and dirt off the floor and then clean it. But I did not feel like going downstairs and getting the broom or the vacuum.
So I basically took the disinfectant wipes to disinfect the floor and gather all the dirt myself. So you're going to see me kind of pile up all the dirt in the middle of the bathroom floor, and then I'm just going to pick it up with the wipes. I rather just get on my hands and knees and just wipe the floor with disinfectant wipes, because I just find that to be a lot faster than mopping and getting a mop and bucket up here. So that's how I like to do it.
Yeah, I'm a bit too much, but I'm fun and games. When I'm acting tough, I just wanna play. If you are looking for one hell of a ride, just come and get it. Baby, I'm all yours. Come and get it, 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 come and get it. If you are looking for one hell of a ride, just come and get it. Baby, I'm all yours. Oh, 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 oh.
So now I'm in my son's room. I'm just kind of straightening up. I'm gonna straighten up everyone's bedroom upstairs. I'm just throwing the blanket on the bed really because it's like late afternoon and we're gonna be getting in bed in a few hours, so I'm not gonna like make the bed all crazy. This dusting glove that I have on in this shot here, I just got it from the Dollar Tree and I love it. Oh my gosh, it's like one of those microfiber dusters but as a glove, and I've been dusting everything with it. It works so great, and it was $1.
Hey, don't you think I can see that you've been looking at me, that you've been staring at my face? Hey baby, I don't wanna stay in this club no longer. You can move on to my.
You guys, I am so torn about this little ball pit that my son has in his room, because lately I find it becomes either a catch-all and the balls are all over the place, all over his room, all over the house, and I'm so tired of it, but he loves it. So I'm like, I want to throw it away, but I feel like I can't throw it away because he's going to be so sad. You guys, I need your help. Should I just get rid of it or should I keep it?
We will rock it tonight. Just jump on this vibe together. We will rock it tonight and forever. Just jump on this vibe together. We will rock it tonight and forever. Just jump on this.
So I am cleaning my room now. We got new sheets for the bed, so I now have 2 pair of sheets, yay, for my king size bed, but I still only have 1 comforter, and my king size comforter is dirty, so you're gonna notice that I'm spreading a queen size comforter from our old bed on our bed, on our king size bed, so it doesn't fit. I also have to show you guys my fan. I have not dusted this fan or light since I bought the house, and I'm embarrassed to say that, but it's the truth, and the layer of dust on this fan was insane. I was trying to show you the layer of dust that developed in that light bulb and on the sides of the fan. It was disgusting. So I spent a good amount of time getting that down and cleaning that entire fan.
We sing, hey, oh, hey, oh. We sing, hey, oh, hey, oh. We sing, hey, oh, hey, oh. We will take it up high, we will rock it all night. Girl, you're looking so fine, we will make it alright. We will take it up high, we will rock it all night. Girl, you're looking so fine, we will make it alright. We will rock it tonight. Just jump on this flight.
Like, dust should never be this thick. Like, why? Shame on me.
Just jump on this flight together. We will rock it tonight and forever. Just jump on this flight together. We will rock it tonight and forever. Just jump on this flight together. Say yeah, oh.
So that huge box in the corner there is filled with shoes. I just ordered like a box full of shoes from Just Fab. They were having a 60% off sale. This is the first time I ever ordered from them. and the shoes range from $5 to $17. If you're interested in seeing like a little shoe haul, please leave a comment down below and I would love to make that video for you.
I can see the pain it costs you, and I can see, girl, how it hurts you. But let me show you I can fix you. Mr. Right Girl, be a Mr. Right Girl. I understand, girl, what you've been through. That is the reason why you feel so blue. Just wanna tell you I will show you that I can.
So I had to show you guys my side of the sink versus my husband's side of the sink. But in my defense, I've been wearing a little bit of makeup lately, so all the makeup is in my sink. And I've been using charcoal toothpaste, so my toothpaste is black. It kind of just makes the sink look dirtier quicker. Or at least that's what I'm telling myself to make myself feel better.
Been feeling down for quite a while now, but let me bring it back, the smile, and lift you up to the sky. Let's wait till we're superstars, girl. We'll fly away up to the stars, yeah. Let me take you under my arms and I will be your Mr. Right. Girl, let me be the one to love you. Hey girl, you know that I'm the one for you.
Okay, ladies, am I the only one who hops in the tubs to clean it? The garden-shaped tub or those jetted tubs, those wider tubs, are so hard to clean from the outside. And my husband thinks it's so weird. He's like, you're standing in all the cleaning solution and it's getting all in your feet. That's not good for your skin, but I cannot clean it. I'm either going to get in or fall in. Ladies, let me know. Do you hop in to clean or am I crazy? Let me know down below. So last but not least is my daughter's room. This is not going to be an entire house clean because, guys, it is now nighttime and I am worn out. But at least I got the whole entire upstairs clean, the front entryway, and my husband did the living room. But of course, I saved my daughter's room for last because her room is usually the worst. I do not understand my child. Actually, I do, because she's just like me. Actually, my room used to be a lot worse when I was her age, but now I understand how my grandmother and my parents felt because this is so annoying.
I hate it always falls on you. But you know it's not about our love fading. You know it's not about, yeah. You know it's not about our love ending. You know it's not about, it's not about us. You know it's not about us. You know it's not about us. You know it's not about us. I think I'm arsenic, but you don't mind that I'm toxic. Somehow you're fine with it, even when I'm chaotic. You see the shade in the cold, it's just my bad temper.
So now I'm pretty much done with my cleaning. I'm just vacuuming the hallway. That's the last thing I'm gonna do, and then of course get rid of the garbage bags and put up the cleaning supplies. But I am done. Finally, we were doing this from like mid-afternoon all the way till night. It is like now 8 o'clock at this time, 8 p.m. and I'm so happy to be done.
You know it's not about us. You know it's not about us.
So here is the finished products of all the rooms. My sunroom, the hallway, my daughter's room. I showed you the bathroom earlier. I'm going to show you my room and my bathroom, all clean. The beds weren't made perfectly because, like I said, it's nighttime at this point. So we're literally about to pull the covers back and get in the bed. But the room is clean and I'm so happy. My fan is clean. The light bulb is clean. I will not let that happen again, guys. I promise. As always, I appreciate you guys checking out my videos. Please subscribe. Please comment, please like, and chat. Let's chat it up, guys. I'm looking to make YouTube friends. I love making YouTube videos. I love making cleaning videos. So if this is your thing, subscribe to my channel. You won't regret it. Bye, guys.